Good day, everyone. Today I want to talk about one of the biggest reasons that businesses fail. And believe it or not, it's not bad debt. It's not your competition. It's not technology and technology failures. It's not even poor marketing. It comes down to cash flow. You've probably heard people say cash is king. In business, that is absolutely true. In fact, I would go one step further. Cash flow is the oxygen of your business. Without oxygen, nothing can survive. Without cash flow, neither does your business. One of the biggest misconceptions entrepreneurs have is believing that profit and cash are the same thing. They're not. A business can be highly profitable on paper and still run out of money. Let me explain. Imagine your lending business has 2 million rand worth of loans on its books. Those loans are earning interest. Your accountant tells you that you've made an excellent profit this month. Everything is looking fantastic. Then payday arrives. You need to pay salaries. Your office rent is due. Your software subscriptions need to be paid. Your insurance premiums are due. Your debit order fees needs to be settled. And suddenly you realize something very important. You have profit, but you don't have cash. Why is this? Because your money is tied up in your loan book. Your profits are sitting in agreements that will only be repaid or maturing over the coming months. This is why so many businesses fail. They become profitable, but liquid? No, they're illiquid. And the business without liquidity eventually struggles to survive. That's why successful lenders don't just monitor profits. They monitor cash flow every single day. Now let's talk about your loan book. Many entrepreneurs become obsessed with growing it. More loans, more customers, more interest income. Growth feeds excitement. But here's the danger. Every loan you approve takes cash out of your business. Every repayment brings cash back into your business. Your job is to keep that cycle healthy and balanced. Because if money leaves your business faster than it returns, eventually you'll have a profitable business with no cash available to operate. One of the biggest mistakes I see is lenders approving every possible loan without asking an important question. Will I still have enough cash to run my business after this loan has been paid out? That's strategic thinking. Successful entrepreneurs think beyond the transaction. They think about sustainability. Now let's talk and let's discuss collections. Collections don't just affect profitability, they directly affect your cash flow. Every successful collection strengthens your cash position. Every missed collection weakens it. That's why collections are so important. At QuintPay, we've always believed collections should be automated wherever possible. From debit check to automated collections, real-time reporting, and daily business intelligence. QuintPay is designed to help lenders maintain healthier cash flow by improving collections performance and giving business owners complete visibility over their loan books. Because healthy collections create healthy cash flow, and healthy cash flow creates healthy businesses. Another important principle is forecasting. Professional businesses know what is coming. They know what money is expected to arrive next week, next month, next quarter. They know what expenses are due. They know where pressure points exist. They don't wait for problems to happen. They prepare for them in advance. One of the most valuable habits you can develop is reviewing your cash flow every month. Ask yourself a couple of questions. How much cash is available? What collections are expected today? What expenses need to be paid? Where are the risks? Where are the opportunities? Those questions create better decisions. Let's talk about your reserves. Every successful business needs a safety net. Unexpected things will happen. Customers will miss payments and equipment will break. Economic conditions will change And if your business has no cash reserves, every unexpected event becomes a crisis. Businesses with reserves remain calm. Businesses without reserves will enter into panic mode. Cash creates options, and options creates confidence. And that confidence allows entrepreneurs to make better decisions. Here's another important lesson. Never confuse your turnover with success. Many entrepreneurs proudly say, we're lending more money than ever. That's wonderful. But are you collecting more money than ever? That's more important. Is your cash flow improving? Is your profitability improving? Or are you simply becoming busier? Growth without cash flow is very dangerous. Growth supported by healthy cash flow is a powerful tool. At QuintPay, one of the things we encourage our merchants to do is monitor their businesses through real-time reporting. Don't wait until the month end to discover there's a problem. Use your data. Watch your collections. Track your settlements. Understand your cash position. The earlier you identify problems, the easier they are to solve. Now, let me leave you with one final thought. Banks don't fail because they stop lending. They fail when cash stops flowing. The same principle applies to every lending business out there. Protect your cash. Manage your cash well. Forecast your cash. Because profit may make you look successful, but cash flow keeps you in business. So my message today is simple. Never chase profit at the expense of your cash flow. Protect your liquidity at all costs. Monitor your collections and plan ahead. Build those reserves. And remember, businesses don't usually fail because they aren't profitable. They fail because they ran out of cash. Cash flow remains king. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.